Where is extraterrestrial life? Why haven't we had the fortune of meeting an alien species? Do they exist? Are we alone? Astrobiologists revealed the discovery of the Fermi paradox all out of a sudden. We live in a world surrounded by vast universes and breathtaking galaxies, filled with various stars, the sun, the moon, and every other miracle in the vast solar system and beyond. Their mesmerizing splendor makes galaxies stand out among other cosmic wonders. As we stare at the nighttime heavens, our attention is captured by the spiral arms and elliptical forms that embellish these cosmic domains. The twinkle and dance of stars, similar to celestial fireflies, form constellations guiding humans throughout history. Through incomprehensible distances, their light reaches us, stirring a profound feeling of wonder and amazement within us. This universe has been explored multiple times, but many of its mysteries are yet to be discovered. Astrobiologists have discovered a puzzling phenomenon in response to the Fermi paradox in a recent groundbreaking development. This groundbreaking find has reverberated throughout the scientific community, casting doubt on everything we thought we knew about the cosmos and intelligent life beyond Earth. Let us examine this magnetic puzzle and analyze its significance for our place in the cosmos. Enrico Fermi's legacy lives on with the Fermi paradox, a fascinating and puzzling question that bears his name. Why haven't we encountered another intelligent civilization, despite the possibility of countless life forms in our vast universe? Given the universe's age and the abundance of habitable planets, advanced alien societies ought to have arisen. Several interesting theories have been made about the explanation of the Fermi paradox. One possibility is that intelligent species exist in this universe but are so far from us, and humans haven't developed the necessary equipment to travel that distance. That is why it acts as a cosmic barrier between separating civilizations. Another explanation is the Great Filter concept. This theory suggests that a universal barrier may prevent civilizations from advancing to an interstellar network or research center. This barrier could be anything from the self-destruction of civilizations to the difficulty of finding complex life forms. If there was a great filter, it would explain why we haven't encountered other intelligent beings. Also, it is conceivable that intelligent civilizations exist but prefer to remain hidden. Perhaps they developed advanced technologies that prevent us from seeing them, or they chose to observe freely from afar. Such a scenario would mean that the universe encounters life, but we don't know they exist. The sudden realization of the Fermi paradox has profound implications for humanity. Firstly, it highlights our uniqueness and the preciousness of life on Earth. If intelligent life is rare, we must cherish and preserve our planet and all the diverse organisms that call it home. Secondly, the Fermi paradox prompts us to reevaluate our perspective on technological progress and civilization. It inspires us to ponder over the possible dangers which are part and parcel of scientific and technical advancements, along with the importance of taking responsibility for our planet. According to Simon Conway Morris, who is an expert on evolutionary paleobiology, there may be occurrences of human-like evolution on other planets or areas within our universe. The convergence of similar organisms across different regions of space is proposed by the theory of evolution due to random effects, eventually evening out over time. The mechanism of flight is what distinguishes different species on Earth. 4 separate groups have independently evolved the ability to fly: birds, bats, insects, and pterosaurs. As a method of movement via the air, these creatures have all acquired wings, which is one common trait among them. Flightless species lack this common feature, which shows the adaptability and innovation that evolution can produce. By studying the principles behind evolution and flight mechanisms, we can imagine the potential diversity of extraterrestrial life. Physicist Enrico Fermi's inquiry into where everybody is has held the attention of scientists for decades. Despite strong beliefs, researchers grapple with the mysterious absence of evidence for extraterrestrial life on Earth. Life surely exists somewhere within the vast universe. The puzzle originates from the contradiction between the lack of concrete evidence for alien life and the high probability of its presence in the immense universe. Many hypotheses attempt to explain the contradiction. Fermi's paradox might be solved by considering the rarity of Earth, which is known as the rare Earth hypothesis. According to this idea, life on Earth is considered unique and special on a cosmic scale. The emergence of life may be an incredibly uncommon occurrence, making it plausible for us to be potentially the first and only living beings in the Milky Way galaxy. The factors that allowed for life's emergence on our planet may be exceedingly uncommon, even with countless other habitable worlds out there. The Great Filter hypothesis is another possibility. This perspective indicates that despite potentially abundant instances of life throughout the universe, achieving intelligence remains remarkably difficult. Life could have originated earlier than we thought in cosmic history. However, it took an extensive period spanning billions of years for intelligent beings to evolve. Complex brains that can think critically and advanced technology represent a lucky break for humanity. Despite this, things like environmental change presently challenge the endurance of humanity. Although evidence for microbial life or basic organisms might one day surface in the galaxy, finding another civilization with which we can have a truly insightful conversation is slim. The absence of contact with extraterrestrial beings could be due to our uninteresting nature. Maybe they are anticipating the broadcast of their existence by one of the endless worlds in the universe before initiating contact or sending probes. Waiting for hundreds or even thousands of years while showing patience increases the likelihood that someone or something will eventually arrive. The paradox presented in Fermi's theory tests yearning for contact with alien beings. Considering the multitude of worlds present in the universe for exploration, it is conceivable that aliens would exercise caution if they existed. Before revealing themselves, they would wait for a clear signal. They could opt for a more passive strategy by observing our presence from afar until they have verified that we exist rather than actively seeking us out. The mystery of the Fermi paradox is being explored with a new and fascinating solution grabbing attention. It inspires us to grasp the implications. The concept of killer moons wiping out possible extraterrestrial life is central to this topic, starting with our own moon, Luna. Inching its way out of Earth's gravitational pull by one each year is how our moon has escaped its orbit, 5 inches annually. The slow drift of the moon is a subtle change. Nonetheless, it implies that it will draw nearer to our planet over time, particularly when the sun finally collapses. Other star systems with exoplanets may be undergoing this process, which is quite interesting. A recent article from Monthly Notices of the Royal Astronomical Society journal suggested that host planets may be crushed due to exomoons revolving around exoplanets beyond our solar system. This might eradicate the possibility of supporting life. Investigating through simulations, researchers uncovered that depending on how near or distant an exoplanet orbits around its star, it can hasten the timeline of this impact. This enables a moon that is not tethered to crash into the planet it orbits. According to the study, an unbound moon is destined to collide with its planet, whether this happens quickly or slowly. This represents a long-term likelihood that it is harmful to both extraterrestrial planets and our own. The existence of moons has long been crucial in nurturing habitable climates. Stabilizing a planet's axis helps create more consistent weather patterns and predictable seasonal changes. Nonetheless, the appearance of a moon comes with an innate ticking time bomb that may destroy its orbiting world. These ideas illuminate one potential reason why we haven't encountered any extraterrestrial societies yet. If they indeed exist, these cultures may have to confront the issues created by deadly moons. As our space exploration continues, we are on the brink of a new era of acquiring data relevant to potential life on other planets. This data can enhance our comprehension of the probability of life beyond Earth. New probes, larger and stronger space telescopes, and ambitious missions are on the horizon, signaling a hopeful future. Answers to our questions could be discovered through these endeavors. We might learn that there is another intelligent life in our vast universe, or come to grips with our existence being a rare and remarkable event. The more we venture into space and deepen our comprehension, the more compelling the Fermi paradox becomes. The notion that killer moons could be a resolution introduces more depth to this riddle, motivating us to explore further and discover what lies beyond. Scientists and ordinary people are equally fascinated by the sudden disclosure of the Fermi paradox. The intriguing enigma presented to us contests our prior beliefs about the possibility of intelligent extraterrestrial life. The lack of answers to this cosmic puzzle continues, but our quest for knowledge propels us ahead and inspires us to explore the universe. We contemplate our position in it. Subscribe to this channel for more interesting theories. Contemplating the Fermi paradox leads us to question if there truly is intelligent life beyond Earth and where exactly we fit into this expansive universe. The mesmerizing formations and compositions of galaxies serve as a reminder of the immense wonder in the cosmos. The Fermi paradox investigation emphasizes how special and irreplaceable life on our planet really is. Its discovery urges us to revise our perceptions regarding scientific advancements, societal evolution, and planetary care. As we persistently seek answers about our universe's enigmas, advances in exploring outer space provide a glimpse into uncovering these mysteries. Click on the video links popping up for more blues from the celestial realm.